Now we're going to look at what happens to your internal geometry when you clamp a part and release it. So I'm just pushing that down. I'm not clamping that super hard. So we're going 400 thou deep by 1/2 inch wide here in one pass. This is another instance where taking it easy will help you get a good part first try versus going too fast and ripping that part out of there or melting the plastic around the cutter. We ease out the other side so we don't break out. Break out is when the edges chip because you put too much pressure on them. Blow away that plastic, and we're going to head back through for a cleanup cut at the same setting. And what's about to happen here is going to demonstrate how the part deflects based on the pressure exerted with work holding. Carefully just run my finger through there. Make sure there's no debris. This is a 1/2 inch gauge block. So that fits in there, like I'm just dragging that, no problem. Now, if I've done my job right, when I open this, it'll grab. If my slot was supposed to be 0.500 inches wide, it's too small. And if you have a tight wall geometry that needs to be held, such as verticality or perpendicularity, that's also going to be out of spec. The more I push on this handle here, clamping the part, the more it opens this slot up to be a V rather than a U. And that's probably not what you're after if you're trying to cut a slot.